Good morning. This is Jennifer Jameson with Crosby Scholars, and I have been getting the question, what's next? A lot. So I thought I would record a very short video to help students to understand what is next in their Crosby Scholars journey. So you've joined Crosby Scholars and you want to know what you need to do now. Well, I would encourage you to visit www.crosbyscholarsIredell.org. Now, by putting in Iredell, that gets you to our county. We know that we have Crosby Scholars in 3 different counties, but you are participating in the Iredell County Crosby Scholars. First off, our website has a ton of information for you. So you can get to information about scholarships, about our family game night that's coming up, how to donate to Crosby Scholars, parent webinar series. You can see community service opportunities, academy schedules, and then each grade level has a page. And I'm focusing today for the juniors and seniors. So you can see our junior senior page has a wealth of information, including the handbook, some financial aid guides, as well as links to like athletic, the NCAA Eligibility Center. And then you can also see information that we post monthly. So you're going to see our list of newsletters that we've been sending out to the students, as well as when information like hey, I've got essays and I would like them reviewed. How do I get that done, right? So all of that can be found on our website. I would encourage you to explore the website. The other thing that's kind of cool to look at our website is the calendar. So check out the calendar. We try to keep all of our events on our website calendar as well as on the portal calendar. Now, I want to make sure that you understand the website calendar shows all activities for all grade levels, okay? When you log into the portal, the activities that will show up on your calendar will be based on your grade. So there might be some stuff on the calendar on the website that is not for your grade level. And when you try to sign up for it, it won't be available. So I just want to make sure everybody knows that. So if you're new to Crosby Scholars, you can click the Apply Now button and you can join Crosby Scholars. If you're already a Crosby Scholar, then you're going to use this little blue guy here up at the top to access our portal. You're going to notice that our Crosby Connect portal looks a little different now. So when you get here, this is the home page, and then down, it used to have some buttons up at the top, but now in order to either log in or enroll, you're going to click on either the student portal, the parent portal, advisor portal, or admin portal. So I'm going to click on the student portal and we're going to use my test account. Now you're going to notice that with Crosby Scholars, with the new portal, we have set up an authorization codes for your security. So we're not using passwords anymore, we're using authorization codes. So you're going to put in the email that's associated with your account, and then you're going to get an email, and that will have a 6-digit code for you to use to type in to get into your account. So make sure you have access to emails coming from your account. So you're a student and you've logged into your account for the first time this year. Yay, let's see what this is all about. So first off, when you get here, you're going to see your home page and you can see the progress. So it looks like my test student has not done any requirements this year. So a quick way to know, hey, what do I need to do for this year, is to go over here to upcoming tasks. So as a junior, I need to attend the junior senior orientation, which is going to give me information about what's coming up. Now, it looks like we've offered this session about 16 times, and the last one is going to be November 1st. So I am going to go ahead as a student and register for that. When you register for an event, you will receive an email confirming your registration. You will also receive a reminder email, and it will have the details on how you can participate. So once you've registered, you wait for the email, you wait for the date and time to come, and you participate. Now, I know that there's a few other things that I need to do. So let me go check out what those are. The next thing, no matter what your grade level is, you have to do at least one academy and turn in at least 2 hours of community service. So in order to find the academies, there's two ways to do this. You can either click on the academy requirement on the taskbar and click on the task details. It will show you all the things that have passed, and it will also show you the academies for your grade level and your school that are coming up that you can register for. Again, you only need one, but you can attend as many as interest you. This is the meat and potatoes of the program. Now, another way to look at the academies and the things that are coming up is you can click on the calendar at the top of the page. And this will show you all of the activities that are coming up for the month that you might be able to participate in. Volunteer opportunities, there's that junior senior orientation. And notice it's dark blue because I've registered for it. So I can see on my calendar what I've registered for. Now let's say I would like to apply for an academy. This Career Building Essentials Academy looks kind of interesting. So I can click on that event and I can register from the calendar for that event. Again, you will receive an email with details confirming that you're signed up and also reminding you at the 5-day mark, the 3-day mark, and 1 day before. So if you're ever wondering, hey, I signed up for that academy, but I haven't gotten the Zoom yet, simply check your email. You will probably have the link in the email reminders. Okay. All right. So we've looked at the calendar. We've looked at the homepage. Now let's look at one other thing. Every once in a while, depending on your grade, you might have a form that you need to fill out. So the first form is the community service form. You might have already done community service in the community. Great. We just need to know about it. So you're going to click on that task, and then you're going to click on the complete form. And then you're going to say, okay, so I have done, I'm just going to fill in this information from the past. I helped at the open house. You're going to put a brief description of what you did. Please don't do the jumbled letters. Type in something that we can identify because we will approve this. Okay, you're going to put the name, not your contact name, but the name of the person at the nonprofit that will be able to verify that you have done this. And then you're going to press submit. Once the form is submitted, you'll get another email. The email will say, thank you for your form. It is under review. And then once it is approved, you will get another email saying it's approved. The cool thing about this is when you put in your service, you can actually go back and you can look at all the forms that you've submitted. So if you're like, hey, did I put that 4 hours for open house? You can actually come here and say, yes, I did put that in. So anyway, the other thing is you might see other forms. So juniors, your first form that's coming up that you're going to need to do is I need to know what you would like for your senior advisor. So this senior advisor selection form is here. You're going to click on the complete task, and then you're going to type in your name, your high school, your expected pathway. Do you plan on going to community college, technical school, 4-year, military, go straight to the workforce, okay? And then you're going to say that you either want to self-select or you want the Crosby staff to assign you an advisor, okay? Now, if you want to self-select, you're going to need to provide contact information so that we can reach out to that adult because they need to have an account on our system and they need to take notes on your meetings and let us know your progress. If you do not want to self-select, you can let Crosby assign someone, and then you simply submit the form and we will assign an advisor to all of our juniors by January. One thing I want everybody to know, especially since I'm talking to juniors right now, is that I will not assign advisors until you have completed your other requirements. Completing the other requirements kind of tells me that you're serious about wanting to continue in the program, and then I will apply the resources of you getting a one-on-one advisor to talk to. So hopefully that was a very high level of what's going on in the system, what you should be doing next. You can go to your journey page and you can see your list of tasks here. I did want to point out, you might see a lot of other tasks. We offer a ton of things. Not everything is required. So if it's required, you will see the required box. And then over here under status, you will be able to see if something was in progress, completed, or not started. Okay. The other thing is when you are junior or senior and you get your advisor, you will be able to see who your advisor is right here. Okay. So I have not assigned an advisor yet for this person. So they're not seeing somebody, but when I assign an advisor, this is where you'll be able to see it. Okay. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give any of our staff members a call. My contact information is right on the website, Jennifer Jameson. Look under our staff page. And I hope this was helpful. And if you need anything whatsoever, give me a call, or you can set up a meeting in my signature line. So I have a Calendly account, and every time I create an email, at the bottom, it has my name, but it also has students click here to set up an initial meeting. Need a meeting with me? Click here to set up a time. Database problems? Click here. So you can feel free to click on any one of those and set up a meeting with me. So anyway, thank you. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.